Today's digital era, cloud environments have become the backbone of many businesses. However, with this shift comes a new set of uncertainties. From unpredictable outages to evolving security threats, organizations must be prepared to navigate these challenges. Understanding the landscape is the first step. Cloud environments are dynamic, with constant changes in technology regulations and user demands. This means that what works today might not be sufficient tomorrow. In this video, we'll explore the key uncertainties you may encounter in the cloud and provide practical strategies to manage them effectively. Let's begin our journey into mastering cloud risks. Cloud environments are inherently complex. They involve multiple layers of infrastructure, platforms, and services, often provided by different vendors. This complexity can lead to uncertainties in performance, integration, and management. For instance, a simple update in one service might have unexpected consequences elsewhere. To navigate this, organizations need a clear understanding of their cloud architecture and dependencies. Mapping out these relationships helps in identifying potential points of failure and areas that require closer monitoring. By embracing this complexity, you can better anticipate and respond to changes as they arise. Security remains one of the top concerns in cloud environments. The shared responsibility model means that both the provider and the customer play roles in securing data and applications. Uncertainties arise from new vulnerabilities, sophisticated cyber attacks, and misconfigurations. Regular security assessments, strong access controls, and continuous monitoring are essential. It's also important to stay updated on the latest threats and best practices. By proactively addressing security, organizations can reduce the risk of breaches and protect sensitive information in the cloud. Compliance is another area filled with uncertainty. Different industries and regions have specific regulations governing data storage, privacy, and security. Cloud providers may offer compliance certifications, but it's up to each organization to ensure their use of the cloud meets all legal requirements. Regular audits, documentation, and collaboration with legal teams are crucial. By staying informed about regulatory changes and working closely with your provider, you can navigate compliance challenges and avoid costly penalties. Cloud performance can be unpredictable. Factors such as network latency, resource contention, and provider outages can impact application availability and user experience. Monitoring tools and performance benchmarks help organizations detect issues early. It's also wise to design applications for resilience, using features like auto-scaling and failover. By anticipating variability in building and safeguards, you can ensure consistent performance even when the unexpected occurs. One of the promises of cloud computing is cost efficiency, but managing costs can be tricky. Uncertainties arise from unpredictable usage patterns, hidden fees, and complex pricing models. To control spending, organizations should implement budgeting tools, set usage alerts, and regularly review bills. Understanding your cloud provider's pricing structure and optimizing resource allocation are key steps. With proactive cost management, you can avoid surprises and make the most of your cloud investment. Interlocking is a significant concern when adopting cloud services. Once you've built your systems around a specific provider's tools and APIs, switching can be costly and complex. This uncertainty can limit flexibility and innovation. To mitigate lock-in risks, consider using open standards, multi-cloud strategies, and portable architectures. By planning for portability from the start, you retain more control over your cloud journey. Data privacy is a growing issue in cloud environments. With data stored across multiple locations and jurisdictions, organizations face uncertainties about who can access their information and how it's protected. Encryption, strong access controls, and data residency policies are essential tools. Regularly reviewing privacy settings and understanding where your data resides can help you maintain control and compliance. Disasters can strike at any time, and cloud environments are not immune. Whether it's a natural event, cyber attack, or technical failure, having a robust disaster recovery plan is crucial. This includes regular backups, clear recovery procedures, and testing your plan under real-world conditions. By preparing for the unexpected, you can minimize downtime and data loss, ensuring business continuity. Cloud technology is constantly evolving, with new services, features, and best practices emerging regularly. This rapid pace can create uncertainty for organizations trying to keep up. Staying informed through training, industry news, and vendor updates is essential. Embracing a culture of continuous learning helps teams adapt quickly and leverage the latest innovations for competitive advantage. Shared responsibility model is a foundational concept in cloud security. It defines which security tasks are handled by the provider and which are the customer's responsibility. Misunderstandings here can lead to gaps in protection. Organizations must clearly understand their roles and ensure all responsibilities are covered. Regular communication with your provider and internal teams helps maintain a secure environment. Effective monitoring and observability are key to navigating uncertainties in the cloud. By collecting real-time data on system performance, security events, and user activity, organizations can quickly detect and respond to issues. Automated alerts and dashboards provide visibility into complex environments. Investing in robust monitoring tools ensures you stay ahead of problems and maintain high service level. Change is constant in cloud environments, from software updates to infrastructure modifications. Without proper change management, these adjustments can introduce new uncertainties and risks. Establishing clear processes for planning, testing, and documenting changes helps minimize disruptions. Involving stakeholders and communicating updates ensures everyone is prepared for transition. No system is immune to incidents, but being prepared makes all the difference. Incident response plans outline how to detect, contain, and recover from security events or outages. Regular training and simulations keep teams ready to act quickly. By practicing your response, you can reduce the impact of incidents and restore normal operations faster. Governance frameworks provide structure and oversight for cloud operations. They define policies, roles, and responsibilities, helping organizations manage risks and ensure compliance. Adopting a governance framework tailored to your needs brings clarity and consistency, making it easier to navigate uncertainties and align cloud usage with business goals. Automation is a powerful tool for reducing uncertainty in the cloud. By automating routine tasks like deployments, backups, and security checks, you minimize human error and ensure consistency. Automation also speeds up response times and frees up staff for more strategic work. Investing in automation tools pays off in reliability and efficiency. One of the cloud's greatest strengths is its ability to scale resources up or down as needed. However, scaling introduces its own uncertainties, such as cost spikes or performance bottlenecks. Designing applications for scalability and monitoring usage patterns helps organizations respond to changing demands without sacrificing stability or budget. Many organizations rely on third-party services to extend cloud functionality. While these integrations offer benefits, they also introduce new uncertainties such as compatibility issues and additional security risks. Vetting vendors carefully, monitoring integrations, and having contingency plans in place help manage these uncertainties effectively. Controlling who can access cloud resources is critical for security and compliance. Uncertainties arise from complex permission structures and the risk of privilege creep. Implementing role-based access controls, regular reviews, and strong authentication methods helps ensure only authorized users have access to sensitive data and systems. Migrating to the cloud is a major undertaking, often accompanied by uncertainties around data transfer, application compatibility, and downtime. Careful planning, thorough testing, and clear communication with stakeholders are essential for a smooth transition. By anticipating challenges, you can minimize disruptions and realize the benefits of cloud adoption more quickly. Many organizations adopt hybrid or multi-cloud strategies to balance flexibility, cost, and risk. While these approaches offer advantages, they also introduce new uncertainties in integration, management, and security. Establishing clear policies and using unified management tools helps organizations harness the benefits while minimizing complexity. Culture of continuous improvement is vital for navigating cloud uncertainties. Encouraging teams to learn from incidents, share knowledge, and experiment with new solutions fosters resilience and innovation. Regular retrospectives and feedback loops help organizations adapt quickly to changing conditions and stay ahead of potential risks. Optimizing cloud costs is an ongoing process. Uncertainties in usage patterns and pricing changes require regular analysis and adjustment. Leveraging reserved instances, right-sizing resources, and eliminating unused services can lead to significant savings. By making cost optimization a routine practice, organizations can maximize value and reduce financial surprises. The rapid evolution of cloud technology means that skills can quickly become outdated. Investing in ongoing training and certification ensures your team is equipped to handle new challenges. Encouraging professional development and cross-training builds a more adaptable workforce, ready to tackle uncertainties as they arise. Service level agreements, SLAs, define the expected performance and availability of cloud services. Understanding the terms and limitations of your SLAs helps set realistic expectations and plan for contingencies. Regularly reviewing SLAs and holding providers accountable ensures you receive the service quality you need. Designing applications specifically for the cloud, using cloud-native principles, reduces uncertainty and improves resilience. This includes microservices architectures, containerization, and infrastructure as code. Embracing these principles allows organizations to take full advantage of cloud capabilities and respond quickly to change. Regular risk assessments help organizations identify and address potential threats before they become major issues. This proactive approach involves evaluating technical, operational, and business risks. By prioritizing risks and implementing mitigation strategies, you can reduce uncertainty and strengthen your cloud posture. Tagging cloud resources with metadata improves visibility and management. This practice helps track costs, enforce policies, and automate processes. Consistent tagging reduces uncertainty by making it easier to locate and manage resources, especially in large or complex environments. Resilience is key to navigating cloud uncertainties. Designing architectures that can withstand failures, recover quickly, and adapt to changing conditions ensures business continuity. This includes redundancy, failover mechanisms, and regular testing. By prioritizing resilience, organizations can maintain operations even in the face of unexpected challenges. Navigating uncertainties in cloud environments requires a proactive, informed, and flexible approach. By understanding the unique challenges of the cloud, implementing best practices, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can turn uncertainty into opportunity. Remember, the cloud is a journey, not a destination. Stay vigilant, keep learning, and embrace change to thrive in this dynamic landscape.